Melissa, and I just bought the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, so I just wanted to record a video about it, do an unboxing together with you. And the reason why I bought is because I have an upcoming trip to Italy, Dolomites, and I wanted to record everything. And I also saw a lot of my friends already having it, and a lot of content creators and bloggers recommending this in the market. And apparently it's one of the best cameras that you can have. So it records transform really well during low light, and it's just very compact. So I think it was like weighted 176 or 79 grams. So we're just gonna do it. And I also researched a little bit, and you need to buy the SD card separately, so I just got it together. So we'll try it out. Nice, got this back. Okay, it has actually a lot of things. The Osmo Pocket 3 here, portable battery, the mic, the small tripod. It's quite tiny. I guess another extra battery, I have no idea. The cables. Oh, you have like a lens. Nice. Okay, so that's it. And then the carrying case, I think, is here. The case, the straps. And this goes together with the mic. And a small lens. Okay, so let's see what does the creator combo include. So it has the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So this is the Osmo Pocket, so small, quite nice, quite compact. Let me try opening it. I have to do the settings. Anyway, we'll do it later. Then you have one battery handle, and also this one, which is not a battery handle, but if you need to put it on a tripod, I think it's here. You just need to tap it up and then just put this in. I think it's very self-explanatory. Then you have this to expand. There's a wide angle lens for cinematic shots. Then you have the very important, the DJI Mic 2 transmitter. Then you have the carrying case. With this I can just grab it and then record. So I think, yeah, mainly that. But anyway, I think you save more money buying the creator combo, at least like 150 or 300, than just buying things separately. So I went through my settings. So if I swipe up, you will see this little screen, this menu, where you have different options. So the first one is for the save presets, which as of now I don't have any. This is also for you to decide whether you want to use the screen rotate and capture, which basically what it does is allow you to immediately record after you rotate this touch screen, something like this. Then you have the brightness level, so I have it 43% right now. I'm just gonna put it a little bit more. You always have it at 100% maybe. I'm just doing it lower for the purpose of this video. Then you have selfie mode on, so as I'm going to use this mainly to vlog, I'm just gonna put that on, so it follows my face. And then you have the settings, so there's another option to put the grid on. Yeah, and then you can just choose the option whether you want to turn it off immediately once you rotate to vertical the screen, or just 2 seconds. Just a lot of things here. Having gone through it. And then yeah, so this one is rotational speed. I can just use low. And this is like landscape, portrait. Then you have the different gimbal modes. So you have follow, tilt lock, FPV, FPVT. So I have it on follow mode, which is the one that you will use mostly for vlogging. But then you also have tilt lock for when you want to capture, I don't know, landscape, ambience, and then you have a horizontal line where you just go through, record it. Then this one moves freely. I don't know what the FPVT, but I'm just gonna put it on follow mode. And then if you swipe to this side, so by default it's like this. Once you click Pro here, you will have the other options where you can do the color grading, you can have glamour effect on, you have focus mode, which if you choose something different, Production case it will blurry a little bit the background. I'm just gonna do continuous. Then what is this next compensation? Breathing compensation. Okay, yeah, so you have those different options. And then for resolution, you just swipe up and then you can put it at 1010p, 1080p, or 4K, or whichever frames per second. I have it 30 frames per second. Let's just record like a random video because that one's too noisy. Okay, so if I come here and I do this, you can either save the video or delete it. I'm just gonna delete it. Yeah, that's it. If you want to do the auto tracking, then you can just click here and you will have 3 options. So the first one will put your face, will auto detect your face and put it in the middle of the frame. But if you don't want that, you can choose dynamic up framing, and then you can just start and then choose so on which circle you want it to have the object in, and it will just follow that. Otherwise you can do the spin shot, which are those close reels that you've probably seen. I'm just gonna have it on auto detect face automatically. Okay, not really. And then I think, well, you also have this option where you can just choose whether to take pictures, but you cannot really do zoom, so I don't think this is the best for pictures. You have low light recording, slow motion, time lapse. Just gonna do it on video. Okay, so other quick tips. So you should be able to use the joystick for zoom, but still don't control it. So you can do it on the screen. So you just double tap here, and then you have this option to just do zoom. Okay, and then using the joystick supposedly like this, but I don't know why it doesn't always work. You can also just recenter by double clicking the joystick. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the zoom thing on the joystick. Doesn't seem to be working well for me, so if anyone has figured it out, let me know. And then yeah, you can just try it out like this, and you can change that on the settings. So yeah, you can see how it automatically protects the camera, so that's nice. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.